Inferences. Pony Express riders. Directions. Read the information below and answer the questions. The gold rush of the mid-1800s caused hundreds of thousands of people to move out west to California in search of fortune. The problem that this created for the people in the United States was that there was no fast way to get mail across the new wilderness. The Pony Express was established to provide speedy mail delivery over the 2,000-mile route that stretched from St. Joseph, Missouri to Sacramento, California. Want ads were placed for riders, such as this one from a San Francisco newspaper in March 1860, when the Pony Express was just beginning to hire riders. Wanted: young, skinny, wiry fellows not over 18. Must be expert riders willing to risk death daily. Orphans preferred. Wages $25 a week. Apply: Central Overland Express, Alta Building, Montgomery Street. Despite the dangers, hundreds of young men applied to deliver mail on the Pony Express. Pony Express riders would travel 10 to 15 miles at a time until they reached a relay station where they would change horses. After 75 to 100 miles, the riders would stop at a home station to rest, and a new rider would put the mail on the specialty-built lightweight saddle of a fresh horse and continue to ride. Although being a Pony Express rider may sound exciting, it was far from glamorous. As rider William Campbell said, riding express had more hard work than fun in it. One of the worst parts of the trip was the weather. It was at times blazing hot and other times bitterly cold. Campbell recalled his route through Nebraska. Once I spent 24 hours in the saddle, carrying the mail 120 miles to Fairfield, with snow 2 or 3 feet deep and the mercury around zero. I could tell where the trail lay only by watching the tall weeds on either side, and often had to get off and lead my horse. Although the men were paid well for that time, the long hours and bad weather caused many riders to quit. Riders also faced other dangers on the trail, such as bandits and angry Native American groups. Riders were advised never to start a conflict with bandits or Native Americans, but to escape by horseback whenever possible. They were not to fire their guns except as a last resort to protect themselves and the mail. Regardless of their challenges, the riders were determined to get the mail delivered. Even on the first run of the Pony Express on April 3, 1860, the riders got the mail to California in the promised 10 days. Due to the more widespread use of the telegraph, and after only a year and a half, the Pony Express ended in October of 1861. Answer the following questions. Please refer back to the text to find your answers. Number 1. Which event caused thousands of people to move out west? Number 2. Why was it so important to get mail delivered more quickly to and from California? Number 3. Why do you think the ads placed for Pony Express riders asked for young, skinny, wiry fellows? Number 4. Which two parts of the ad implies that being a rider was a dangerous thing to do? Number 5. About how many miles would a rider travel until he would stop to rest? Number 6. Explain how William Campbell could follow the trail in heavy snow. Number 7. Why do you think bandits would often attack Pony Express riders? Number 8. What caused the end of the Pony Express service? Number 9. Look at question 8. What part of the text gave you this idea?